The Airbus A380, the largest passenger airliner in the world, was a project born out of ambition, innovation, and a desire to push the boundaries of aviation. The story begins in the early 1990s when Airbus set out to compete with the Boeing 747, the reigning giant of the skies. Remember to like and subscribe to Flight at Sim because it really helps me out and motivates me to keep making great content like this. The A380 was conceived as a solution to increasing air travel demand and congested airports. Airbus envisioned a super jumbo that could carry more passengers while offering comfort and efficiency. In 1994, Airbus formally began developing the A3XX, the early concept of what would become the A380. The project was a massive undertaking with engineers tasked to create an aircraft that could carry over 500 passengers while flying long distances. The A380's design was revolutionary. Airbus wanted to build an aircraft with 2 full decks of seating, spacious interiors, and advanced aerodynamics. To achieve this, they needed to use cutting-edge materials like composite structures to reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. But the scale of the A380 posed huge challenges. Manufacturing and assembling such a large aircraft required collaboration across multiple countries. Parts were built in facilities across Europe and transported to Toulouse, France, where final assembly took place. Entire roads, bridges, and transport infrastructure had to be modified just to accommodate the enormous components of the A380. After years of development, the A380 made in flight on April 27, 2005, from Toulouse. The event was watched by thousands, marking a new era in aviation history. Its entry into service came in 2007, when Singapore Airlines became the first airline to fly the A380 on a commercial route between Singapore and Sydney. The A380 wowed passengers with its spacious cabins, quieter engines, and luxurious amenities. Over the years, airlines began using the A380 for popular long-haul routes. It was perfect for connecting major international hubs thanks to its massive capacity, up to 853 passengers in all economy configuration. Despite its success with passengers, the A380 faced a challenge. The aviation industry was moving towards more fuel-efficient twin-engine jets that were cheaper to operate. This shift in the market, along with its high development costs, meant the A380 never reached the sales Airbus had hoped for. In 2019, Airbus announced that it would end production of the A380. Emirates, the largest operator of the aircraft, had reduced its orders, and other airlines were focusing on smaller, more efficient aircraft. The last A380 was delivered to Emirates in December 2021, marking the end of an era. The A380 may no longer be in production, but its legacy lives on. It remains a marvel of modern engineering, with its distinctive double-decker design and enormous wingspan. For passengers, it symbolized the pinnacle of air travel comfort. Though the Airbus A380 story has come to an end, its impact on aviation will be felt for generations to come. It may not have changed the course of commercial air travel as Airbus once hoped, but for those who have flown on this giant of the skies, the experience was unforgettable.